natin ng Russia. Noli,
That's the first time they have shown that since the first set.
That's what cost them the 2 sets previously, no?
Correct. That's also what brought them to the finals. They were blocking splendidly laban sa Brazil yesterday. Here's a low ball for Bell. She's blocked again. Masyadong malapit. Just at the net. And a point for Russia.
Did they tie the match?
They have tied the set. Calderon still not calling a timeout, although he's already holding on to the timeout button, and finally he will call one. After this point, lost by Cuba, they have seen their lead disappear. It's now 20-20 in set number 4. Kayo po'y umaasa makakapanood ng finals sa Sydney Olympics ng volleyball. Well, parang ganito na rin yun. Cuba against Russia, number 1 against number 2 in the world. You take your pick. Right now, it's a deadlock set at 20 all. Cuba, however, leads 2 sets to 1. Rela Torres off the block.
There you go. Nag-improve yung setting nila in that play, Noli.
Yes.
Previous to that, you'd have scrambles at the net because of faulty setting from Cuba.
And dahil din dun sa masamang reception kanina, of course, good serving ng Russia. 21 serving 20. Vasilevskaya. Techenko's there. Hinabol. Opportunity for Cuba. Back set. Aguero on the line.
Galing.
And Cuba is 3 points away from the match.
2 consecutive points for Cuba.
Costa serving. Vasilevskaya. Goal!
Light quick set. Hindi pa bawal na yung block.
But they need more of that, and they need defense now. 21 serving 22.
They're serving. Gamova is preparing to block.
Costa.
Kailangan lukoy yung block.
Bell. Under si Techenko. Vasilevskaya setting it for Gamova. It's an easy over. Aguero. Running back. Oh! Lalapas na.
It was already outside, Noli. It would have been a
it's way
wide
out.
ball.
And Chorina had to touch it. Cuba 2 points away from the match. 23 serving 21. Cuba leading by 1. Bad reception. Chachkova easy over. This will set match point. Yes! Match point for Cuba. And now, there's the serve.
From Rela Bell, Chachkova with a good reception.
Chachkova, and it's out! It's out!
Cuba
It's all over! Cuba!
Cuba takes the gold!
They have taken the 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix.
Ending the 7-year drought, Noli, in this league.
Indeed, Luis Calderon warmly shaking the hand of Nikolai Karpol. Cuba, after a 7-year drought, finally taking the 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix in dramatic fashion. Laban sa isang powerhouse team na Russia. And both teams well applauded by this very appreciative Phil Sports crowd. There you see Mireya Luis, Yumilka Luis, and the rest of the team. Rela Torres putting on a show today, Poch.
They loved it. They really loved the crowd also.
They dropped the first set 21-25, then they came back to take the next 3, 25-15, 25-23, and 25-21 for a 4-set win laban sa Russia to take the gold sa ating 2000 World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix. But Russia has nothing to be ashamed of.
Nothing. Ang ganda rin ng laro nila. Medyo Cuba won.